Okay, so in this one we're going to create a New York style compression, and we're going to just beef up our drums by using this. So I'm going to create another group track. So we just right click in the space at the bottom, add group channel track, click OK, and we'll call this NY comp. And if we go to the inserts on this, go to dynamics and compressor, let's bring the ratio or the threshold back, and we'll push the ratio right up to full. And we're going to turn the makeup gain, turn the auto off, turn that right up full as well. Make sure the attack is at close to 0 as possible. Bring the hold down to 0, and we'll bring the release back. We're going to play around with the release there, so it'll be in around between sort of 40 and 100 or so. And we'll just put the analysis in the middle. And then I'm going to go to our drum group, and I'm actually going to, instead of sending this out, as we've sent all of our drums to our drum group, we're now going to send our drum group to our compressor. But instead of going straight out, we're actually going to send it out and send a bunch of it to the compressor. So I'm going to go to the send section, and if we click here, and we can just go to groups, New York comp, turn that on, and if we hold down the command button on a Mac and just double click, that'll send 0 dB to your compressor. If we just go into the compressor, let's experiment with the release time. And then obviously you can experiment with the actual volume of the New York compression afterwards, so you can decide how much you want to be mixed in with your actual song. So there's our drums, and that's it with the compression on. And then it's going to go to group number 5 here, which is our open hat, and I'm going to send some of this to the group, or the New York compression group as well. Not too much though. Just brings all of your levels up a bit without being noticeably over compressed. And one cool trick you can do as well is you can actually send the reverb out to the compressor as well, and you can experiment with how much is sent out to that. Just brings all the volumes up, keeps all the sort of the low volumes sort of ticking over. Okay, so in the next tutorial we're going to start programming in our bass lines.